Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Muhammad Rifali Ardiansa. I will present about safe and organized parking. The parking area at school is an important part of the school environment because it can guarantee the safety of the vehicles of our 17 high school. Students with an organized parking area. A well-organized parking lot can minimize the risk of vehicles lost or damage. With clear arrangements and regular supervision, students, teachers, and visitors. Good parking layout allows for a more optimal use of space, allowing more vehicles to be parking without compromise access or security. This is important in schools with large and organized parking area at schools is important to keep vehicles safe, maximize space, and prevent damage or loss of vehicles. And thank you for everyone. This is my present. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.